Italian. Say it. How you doing, sweetheart?
How you doing, sweetheart? How you doing, bud?
Normal.
Come and stop.
Do you hear this? We're turning her into a... Where's your scapados? Let me see those shoes. Let me see them. One more time, I want you to go. How you doing, sweetheart?
How you doing?
Don't worry about them, you know what I mean? We're over here now. I want you to go. I want you to go.
Okay, where you going?
I want you to go.
Going home?
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
I love it the way you say it. You Italian? You Italian?
Yeah.
Nah, you're Italian. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. I love her. I love her. Have a good night, baby.
All right,
Oh, you gotta love it, baby.